Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 1877. Minimize maximum pair sum in array. This is medium and the key here is reading and observation, so let's start. We are given an integer array nums and we need to return the minimum possible maximum pair sum. Let's see what this means. We can split this array into n divided by 2 pairs. Here n is 4, so we can build 2 pairs. Let's say that we take these 2 pairs. Here the sum of these 2 elements is 8, the sum of these 2 elements is 5, and the maximum pair sum is the maximum between 8 and 5, meaning 8. So we need to find the minimum maximum pair sum. So for this example, the solution is to take a pair with 5 and 2, and here 5 plus 2 is 7, and we take another pair with 3 and 3. The sum here is 6, and the maximum between 7 and 6 is 7. This is the smallest maximum pair sum that we can find, so we return 7. As you can see, this might sound a bit confusing, so let's go step by step here. First, let's sort this array. This is my first intuition. Now we know that every element to the right is greater or equal to every element in the left. And this is very important. Now we can see everything more clearly. For example, if we take this pair, we know that the sum is 8. And these are the 2 maximum numbers, so this is the maximum pair sum that we have in this entire array. So, given that we are trying to find the minimum maximum pair sum, the most intelligent thing that we can do is to split these 2 numbers. Maybe we should use this 5 with the smallest number and this 3 with the next smallest number. And this is exactly what we are doing. We start with an I pointer at index 0, and every time we are considering a pair with this number and the number at -1 minus the current index. So we are looking at this pair right now. The sum here is 7, and the result will be initially minus infinity. Why? Well, because we are looking for the maximum pair sum. We are dealing with this minimum part by doing this, of taking the first element with the last one and so on. And now we need to deal with this maximum part. So for this we have a result that's initially minus infinity. And now, given that the current sum is greater than what we have in the result, we can update this to 7 and continue with the next index. Now the I pointer is here, so we are considering a pair with this number and the element at -1 minus the current index. This is index 1. So -1 minus the current index is this number. We are looking at this pair. Here the sum is 6, and given that this is smaller than the result, and we are trying to find the maximum pair sum, we keep 7 in the result. And now if we update the I pointer, we are out of bounds because we have already iterated every pair. Remember that we can have n divided by 2 pairs exactly. Here we have an even number of elements every time. So whenever the I pointer crosses half of the elements, we can end the loop and return the result, which is 7 in this case. Time complexity for this approach will be big O of n log n, because we need to sort this array nums, and space complexity is big O of n, because that's the required space for sorting in Python. So with this in mind, now let's go with the code. First we say that n is the length of nums, and we need to sort this, so nums.sort. The result is initially minus infinity, and now we can iterate every index from 0 up to half of the elements, n divided by 2. Remember that we always have an even number of elements and exactly n divided by 2 pairs. So the result every time is the maximum between what we have in the result and the sum of the current pair, which is given by nums I plus nums at -I -1. So finally we can return result. This is a very short code, so now let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.